Okay, so I'm basically a creative professional. I've worked with the media companies in the past, and as far as my educational qualifications are concerned, I've done my BTech. Then I moved into the technical side of music, basically audio engineering, and I have made a couple of songs as well. They're on YouTube. So yeah, basically I'm a creative professional. I would not like to name specifically, but both the companies are one is the largest broadcaster in the world, and the other one is the largest radio network in. Okay. Because I've watched Three Idiots more than 75 times. So it is like you should follow your passion in life. So after graduating from BTech, I decided to follow my passion in music. So I did audio engineering and music production stuff. Then later on, when I was working with media companies, we used to work with creative agencies, to get certain things produced, like jingles, like you know creators, serials, video content. And in those cases, we had to deal with, as a producer, I had to deal with agreements and all, associations and everything. Though we used to hire legal agencies to, tackle all those stuff, but still, I thought, I had some interest to, in those agreements, drafting what those agreements, uh, you know, conveyed. So I just wanted to understand what goes behind those legal agreements, and to just understand those terminologies. So objective is basically just to understand the media laws, terminologies better, so that in the future, if I give my professional, so currently I'm working as a creative professional. I am working into content marketing sector, basically producing content for social media, helping people grow their brand, what content they should make for social media. And in all those cases, we have to deal with certain agencies as well. So by this course, I really intend to learn, how better I can understand the media laws, entertainment laws, and how I can better negotiate the terms. That is just fantastic. I mean, Ritisha is just brilliant, and hats off to Abhyuday and the other co-founder, I guess Ramanujam, right? They have done a brilliant job, because earlier I was planning to do LLB, but LLB is a 3 years course, and you know there is no, I guess, no distance learning for doing LLB, right? If I'm not wrong. So I just wanted to specifically learn media and entertainment laws. I was not very much interested into doing, learning other laws. So this course is very beneficial for me in the aspect, in the ways by which I can learn media and entertainment laws specifically. So you have a very good system of, asking queries on WhatsApp, and whenever I feel, you know whenever I feel any issue, I just post my queries on WhatsApp, and it is readily, happily, and extensively explained by the people, the trainers. Uh, so the response is just amazing. The vibes which I get from you guys is just amazing. I'm very happy. Uh, right now, I don't think so. Abhi, directly, I'm not able to apply these learnings, but this has made me grow as a better professional and as a better individual, because sometimes I used to think that I overthink. Sometimes I used to think that I overthink on certain uh, you know concepts or areas related to media and entertainment industry, but that is not the case. After asking queries and consulting you guys through this course, uh, many queries have been resolved. So anybody who wants to learn specifically, anybody who wants to be a Funsuk Bangdu in their life, जो भी whoever wants to be काबिल in their life, जो भी specifically knowledge लेना चाहते हैं, this course is a perfect a perfect course for those guys who want to learn specifically and highly authentic knowledge. Specific, or you would say a very क्या कहते हैं उसको, channelized form of learning, specific form of learning कि I just want to learn media and entertainment laws. Okay, so we have a course for you, and the delivery, the trainers are just amazing. मतलब आप इंडियन एजुकेशन सिस्टम को बदल रहे हो. Earlier also I have a very keen habit of reading. So I used to read a lot about copyright laws. People used to consult me. Though I'm not a lawyer, but I used to read a lot about copyright, about, I used to read your blog, ipreaders.com. I used to read that blog. But, एक गुरु चाहिए होता है. आप जितना भी नॉलेज ले लो, यू रीड, बट वो होता है ना, गूगल पे यू डोंट गेट अ वेरी sorted form of information. After that, I had consulted some people as well, those who were experts in the industry, but I never found a very especially in Delhi, I don't think so there are many lawyers or media professionals who have a very profound knowledge and base in the media and entertainment law specifically sector. But I had reached out to many people to ask my queries, but I never got my answers. Trust me, I never got the clarity. But in a month's time, just by posting on your WhatsApp group, though uh, my queries might have sounded silly sometimes, sometimes irritating, that I'm asking one question and again. But my philosophy of life is, वो कहावत है ना कि you can be a fool one, एक बारी fool बन सकते हो, but lifetime fool नहीं रहना चाहिए आपको. तो वैसा सही है. So I just wanted to clarify my doubts, and they have been readily entertained and resolved.